Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play NFS Unbound. To begin your journey, familiarize yourself with the basic controls for acceleration, braking, and steering. Mastering drifting is key to maintaining speed through corners and building your boost meter. You'll earn cash and reputation by competing in events, which unlocks new cars and upgrades. Select your initial vehicle wisely, as it will be your companion through the first few hours of intense street racing. To consistently win races, focus on smooth cornering and timing your nitrous bursts for maximum acceleration. Each race event has different entry fees and rewards, so choose wisely to build your bankroll and reputation. Be prepared for police chases, which can occur frequently. Use the city's layout, including jumps and tight alleys, to outsmart the cops and escape their pursuit, ensuring you keep your hard-earned cash. Customization is a huge part of the experience. You can dramatically change your car's appearance with hundreds of visual parts, from body kits to decals, making it truly unique. Beyond aesthetics, performance upgrades are crucial. Invest in engine, chassis, and drivetrain parts to boost speed, acceleration, and handling. Don't forget to fine-tune your suspension and tire pressure to match your driving style and the demands of specific events. Once you're comfortable with the basics, dive into the online world. Compete against other players in head-to-head races and prove your skills on the streets. The game offers daily and weekly challenges that provide unique opportunities to earn special cars, cash, and customization items. Continuously improve your driving and car setups to climb the online leaderboards, establishing yourself as a top racer in the vibrant street racing scene.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.